It's early in the morning. Coffee is still sort of settling in. Here we go. Damn! Hyper-Go on 3S, and we are running in the stock ESC configuration, so this is not at full speed. Just getting my feel for the car to see what it's doing. It's a little windy today, but hopefully the audio comes out all right. Now, the one thing I have made a change to this car, I am running this radio with it. The downside with this radio is that I have sacrificed the ability to turn the front LEDs on and off. I think the standard radio might have something in the actual handset itself that allows you to do that, because me just plugging this into a third channel, I can't turn the LEDs off. Doesn't matter what I do, so they stay on. It's not a big deal. But on the plus side, I have gained the gyro. Now the gyro setting is, I think I've put it down to like 30%, so it's not going to be having a huge effect, but I wanted to see what it does, see if it helps it a lot, because I really wasn't liking the stock radio. It just, there seemed to be a little bit of a delay. And I've seen a couple of other people online also mention this, the stock radio, there's a bit of a delay on throttle. I think it works fine if it's a brushed vehicle. I didn't have much of an issue with it on the drift car, but yeah, a lot of people have complained about the delay on this particular vehicle, so I thought I'll change it out. Alright, so that's with the stock setting. So now let's go with the hyped up setting. So we press the ESC 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, we get 3 beeps, and now we've unlocked hyper mode, I guess you'd call it. Oh yeah, here we go. So I'm running the stock 3S battery. Yep. Now it's got heaps of, wow. I have installed a wheelie bar in there as well, so it's coming in handy. Isn't that? Wow, that's got some go. Alright, I think that's our cue to get onto the jumps. Let's see how it does here. My goodness, this thing's got some power. Oh, and I've broken it straight away, first jump. Look at that. I didn't bring any spares either. Wow, snapped an arm clean off. Or did I? No, I think the screw, okay. So the arm's fine. What's happened here? Oh, did I lose the little, oh no, I lost the pin too, so I gotta look for that. The actual little ball that's supposed to be on that screw. So the screw is basically stripped out of the knuckle, and it looks like it might be bent. So now I gotta look for the little silver ball. Otherwise, even if I can fix this, I won't be able to put the arm back on. Wow, first jump, it landed awkwardly and smacked it up straight away. That's a bit of bad luck. I've seen other guys do way more with these things than I have here, and the car has survived quite well. So all right, let's see if I can fix it. If not, it's going to be a short video.
Day 2.
Okay, so it is a new day. It's actually the next day. I was out here yesterday looking for that little piece to fix the car, and I couldn't find it, so I ended up calling it quits. And I was going to end the video there, but I actually got some time to come out again today, and the little metal ball, the little sort of pivot bowl that goes in there, the replacement A-arms that they supply in the box actually come with those little bowls. So I was able to fix the car pretty easily, and yeah, get everything up and running. I even put a new screw in there because the original screw was bent like 45 degrees, so it was pretty much useless. The steering knuckle though, does have a little damage up the top here, so I don't know how well that screw is going to hold up, but hopefully everything sort of stays together. You can see that I've gotten rid of the receiver box because this receiver wouldn't fit in it, so I've just got like some double-sided tape there, a zip tie. I'm hoping to 3D print a receiver box and try and put something up here in the near future. So I've already started designing it, but I just haven't had time to finish it off. I'm actually still running the same battery as yesterday. I haven't even recharged it or anything because it still had like 4 volts left, so I hadn't really used that much of it. Plus I got a spare one in the car fully charged up if I want to keep going. But yeah, let's put the body back on. Let's hope that you know, I don't have another first jump bad luck scenario like I did yesterday, and let's hope we get some good driving out of this thing. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see what we can do with this little guy. Hopefully we get a good jump. I'm going to start small. Wow, wants to backflip right away. It's a little bit earlier in the morning than yesterday. I kind of have a big day planned today. It's Melbourne Cup Day here in Melbourne. There we go, getting some jumps in. Not that I'm going to be betting on horses or anything like that. I don't really care for any of that stuff. But I've got other things on. Blind landing. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. This thing's a little animal. It really is. Let's keep this going. Do a couple more jumps here and then we'll move on to the bigger jumps hopefully. I'm trying to be careful because first of all I'm trying to get a feel for the car because this thing's got so much power. And secondly, I just want to see. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much at all. Once you start to get comfortable with it, you start to do some pretty good sends. That was just a bleep of the throttle. Yeah. That's what I was expecting yesterday. And this is what I'm getting today. Here we go, getting better. Oh, almost stuffed it up again. Alright, let's move on to the big jump. Let's see what kind of abuse we can give to this little guy. It's got so much power and speed for its size. It's definitely punching above its weight. That's disappointing. Upside down. Okay, so up to this point I was running stock suspension. I've now wound the shock collars down about 7 or 8 mil to hopefully help with the jumping. You can tell that it probably does look a little bouncier now, but maybe I've gone too far. Maybe I've gone 7 or 8 mils too much. Oh, I was gonna do a single and then I was gonna do a double and then I stuffed it up. It's funny, right? Like, I find all sorts of random stuff here at the track from other drivers and even myself. And I was jokingly thinking, wouldn't it be funny if today I found the little silver bowl that popped out yesterday? No, I haven't found that, but I found $1, so it pays for it. It's not bad. You don't usually find money at a BMX track. It was just sitting there gleaming in the sun. It was great. Pays for the broken part. Easy. Let's go. Let's try a double this time. We're going to commit to the double. Oh! We committed, but we didn't land it. We gotta do better than that. I gotta do better than that. It's early in the morning. Coffee is still sort of settling in. Here we go. Damn! It seems like there's a delay with me hitting the brake. Like, I hit the brake and not much happens. So it's almost like I have to hit the brake earlier to level the car out. Because like I'm hitting the brake, but it's still hitting that back end Oh, I've snapped. My wheelie bar has gone bye-bye. So the car's fine. The wheelie bar, I'm gonna have to go look for it. I don't know where it's gone. Oh, there it is. I think I see it. Here we go. Oh, it's ripped clean out. Look at that. So it's ripped clean out. That's unfortunate. I can try and put it back, but it's actually broken, so my camera's not focusing. Sorry guys, I'll see if this will work. There we go. So you can see it's ripped clean out there. So that's a bit of a shame. Oh well. Wasn't really doing many wheelies anyway, it was just crashing. Let's go again. I need to find another $1 now to pay for the wheelie bar. So wheelie bar's good if you're not doing this. Alright, so I got the single in. Oh, now it does wheelies without the wheelie bar. Alright, come on. Let's get this thing sending. I'm gonna count that one. Oh, Jesus! He just bounced off the pit. I'm gonna count that one. I don't care. It's a small car, it's hard to land. Because it did touch down on all fours. Okay, let's go again. Let's see if we can get a clean one in. Man, this thing is an animal. This is an animal car. Yes, at least it stayed upright. See, today it's actually taking a bit of abuse, right? I mean, apart from the wheelie bar ripping off, which is obviously my own doing, this thing's taken a few hits already. Oh, missed the jump completely. It's got so much power. Here we go. Stay upright. Oh, you bloody... This is the only annoying thing. Like, it doesn't want to stay upright. Usually, not usually, but a lot of the times when I take these cars out here, I have had heaps of... well, I've had other occasions where, you know, I take tumbles with cars and stuff, and they generally stay upright, but this one is just not having it. Should we try the Superman jump? Why not, eh? We're here, may as well. Now, Superman jump, it's a bit of a handful even for big cars sometimes. So I don't know how this little guy's gonna go. Oh, okay, stayed upright that time. I think it might be okay actually. Now, because it's got only little wheels, there's a massive step up the top, so I can't go. Here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, it's upside down. So the car's fine. And this is what I mean, like sometimes, you know, if I was to stop the video when the car broke, I think a lot of people will get the impression that, oh, these things are no good, they break easy. Why do you keep doing that to me? Why is it always upside down? I'm gonna have to skip leg day today because I am getting a workout. Like, it left a divot on the ground, and it's still good. Steering's fine. I mean, that's with a damaged steering knuckle or steering block or whatever they're called, and you know, car's fine. But in typical Aussie RC Playground fashion, we're going to run it until we break it or we run out of battery. And I do want to get that golden jump, you know, the one that's... Oh, that's the golden one. That's the golden one. What? Oh, snap the wheel. Oh, wow. Snap the wheel clean off the car. Look at that. Oh, look at the dent though. I mean, can you blame it? Gee whiz. Look at that. I mean, the A-arm is fine. Everything else is fine. Just the wheel. Exit stage left. That's gone. Look at that damage, man. Oh my God. Wow. I mean, look. It took some abuse. I'm not gonna hate on the car today. This is definitely a tough cookie. A little tricky to drive, I'm not gonna lie. You know, if you stick to the low setting, I think you'll be all right. But if you go with you know, if you unlock the beast and go full speed on it, it's yeah, it's a handful. This thing's very fast. It's got a lot of power, and you know, to do that damage, that's taken some abuse. And I'm doing things with this car that's really not meant to be done, so I can't hate on it. It's a shame that the wheel snapped. You don't usually get wheel snapping. Usually the A-arm gives out, but oh well, it is what it is. The good thing is I think these run 12mm hexes, so you can get other wheel options for this. I'll see what I can find, or alternatively I'm just going to buy you know, a new pair of wheels and it'll be up and running in no time. But I'm going to end the video here this time. Thank you all very much for watching. If you're here till the end, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.